Tajay Gayle turned in the performance of his life to stun the world and win Jamaica's first ever global long jump medal. Gayle produced a lifetime best and a new national record of 8.69 meters on day 2 of the IAAF World Championships. This in Doha, Qatar. Kian Rayner reports.
Tajay Gayle only squeezed into the long jump final as the 12th qualifier, but he quickly made amends with a huge jump of 8.46 meters to put the field under pressure. And Gayle was not finished. He went on to leap even further with 8.69 meters, the 10th farthest jump ever, to land Jamaica's first ever gold in the event after James Beckford's double silver in 1995 and 2003.
It means everything to me because not only the gold, but the national record. So today is like the best day of my life. So.
Johan Blake had a chance to win a second world title in the 100 meters, but faded to 5th in 9.97 seconds after a great start as American Christian Coleman landed gold in 9.76 seconds.
When I get delineated psychologically, over the years, I've been getting delineated and it hasn't been good for me. I just think I just didn't react. I just didn't feel myself out lineated like I wanted to be in the middle, because semi-final I was feeling fine, and the finals I don't know, I thought I could have done it, but it's just not my night.
I don't think anybody can stop the plan that the Lord has for you, and I think this is what I planned out to do the whole season. Come here and get a gold medal. I was able to do that, so I'm just I'm honored, I'm humbled, and I'm blessed, man. I'm so blessed.
Reporting from the 17th IAAF World Championships here in Doha, I'm Kian Rayner for TVJ Sports.